folks, how are you? Today we are going to cover Alison by Elvis Costello. We're going to cover the chords first. If you want any of the lead parts, including that intro lead part, go to patreon.com/Simon Morel, where there is an extended version of this lesson. Let's learn those chords. So we're going to kick this off with the intro. Here's how it sounds. Okay, so we've got some funky chords here. We've got a B7 sus4 on the 1. So 1 and 2 resolve into B major and come up, down, right? And then we're going to G sharp minor, down, up into A, and then move to C sharp minor 7. That's 4, 6, 4, 5, 4. And we're going to go up and then up on B, because they're both on the off beat. So basically when you're playing on the beat, you're going down, off beat, you're going to come up. And then F sharp minor, 1 and 2, then G sharp minor 7, up, down, and then G sharp minor 7, down, B, up, down. Whether you played that there, doesn't really matter. Okay, then we've got the verse. So we're going to keep that kind of thing where we're going like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to play an E. You can play E here. On my chart, which you can get at Patreon, I've got an E here, a C-shaped bar chord, but if that's not your thing, play one there, up to you. Sure, Elvis won't mind. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to A, 2 and 3 and 4, and then we're going to play 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So the chords there are G sharp minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go back into the rhythm for A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 on the 1 and the 3, and then we can play a D major, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then B sus4, and then B. So that B sus4 is 2, 4, 4, 5. 2, 4, 4, 4 for B. Okay, so that is the verse. Then we're going to hit the pre-chorus. We've got a similar sort of thing happening. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G minor, G sharp minor 7, and then C sharp minor, then B. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Second half, and the same thing, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. G sharp minor, C sharp minor, D major, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. sus4, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, then we're going to hit the chorus. This is how it sounds. Okay, so some tricky chord changes there. We can start with A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, E, 1 and 2 and 3. Now, on the 4, we're going to go 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's have a look at that again. G sharp minor to A, and then C sharp minor to B, and then G sharp minor to G sharp major, and then we've got C sharp minor, and then 2 Bs. So the count there is 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, quite tricky, but fun. Then the second half of the chorus, A to E, then A, is true, right, to E. Okay, then the second verse is exactly the same as the first verse. The pre-chorus is exactly the same. The chorus the second time changes a little bit because you're going to run into the outro. this is how it goes. Okay, so let's talk about that second half. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 E, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. So and is A, right? And then it just goes D, B, E, A. So that is the outro. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so those chords D, B, E, A, and it basically keeps going until it fades out. There's a whole bunch of awesome lead guitar lines, which you can find at patreon.com/Simon Morel. I will see you next time. If you want the chart for this, that's where you can find that too. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.